What's up everybody, and welcome back to another video on JavaScript methods and events in 30 days challenge. Today we are going to be talking about the JavaScript every method. And basically, the every method tests whether all elements in an array pass a given condition and returns true if all elements satisfy the condition and false otherwise. So basically, the every method is only going to return a Boolean value based on the condition that you provide inside your callback function. It doesn't matter whatever you have inside your callback function, the every method is always going to return a Boolean value, either true or false. Well, that's actually very simple to understand, but I still like to show you a simple example for you to solidify your understanding. So I will create an array of 4 items, but I will name the variable items like that. Now I'll go with my array, and in here we'll just pass in orange, banana, we have apple, and then we have pears. Just like that. I'll create another variable called results, and then I will assign it to our items. And now we need to use the every method. Inside the parentheses, we need to pass in the callback function, and I will have my parameter in place. So what do we want to do? We want to return the item.length that is greater than 2. Well, actually, we only want to check if all the length of the items inside our array is greater than 2. So after the check, the functionality is going to return a Boolean value, either true or false. So for us to actually see what we're getting as the result, let's log the result to the console and see for ourselves. We have results, and now you can see we have true as the result. Well, that is what we were expecting, because the length of all the characters inside our array are greater than 2. But let's say I reduce the length of this character, and now you can see we have false. And basically that's how the every method works. You can apply it in many other different logic, and you will always get a Boolean value, either true or false. So guys, this is our tutorial. I hope you've learned something today. You can actually practice and try to use it in a different way in order to solidify your understanding. So guys, with that being said, I'll see you in another video.